कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहाँ से जमाने को गुजरे जमाना हुआ।
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान।
यह प्रेम सदा भरपूर रहे, गुरुदेव तुम्हारे चरणों में।
दिल का चैन रातों की नींदें चुराई है, लगता है दिल तेरी शामत आई है।
First of all, I would like to express my heartiest thanks to all of you for organizing such a nice and beautiful program on the occasion of Teachers' Day, that is 5th September. As we know that this day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President and the second President of India. Before that, he was a great teacher. We remember him not as a president but as a teacher, which shows the importance of teacher in our real life. In fact, this day, which is celebrated by students all over India, it shows your true love and respect towards teachers. And this day, teachers should also try to understand their responsibilities, that they are fully responsible towards the future of students. They are responsible for making the future of students bright. May God give you success. All of you may progress. May God give you your desired goal. May you get success in your life.
बिन बूंदों की बारिश का एहसास कैसे होगा, जुनून हो दिल में जिसके वो हताश कैसे होगा। कार्यक्रम के इस रंग का मिजाज कैसा है, बिन तालियों के ये हमें एहसास कैसे होगा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अर्थात गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है, गुरु ही महेश्वर है, गुरु ही साक्षात ब्रह्मा का रूप है, और ऐसे ब्रह्मा रूपी गुरु को मेरा प्रणाम। इट मीन्स द गुरु इज ब्रह्मा, द गुरु इज विष्णु, द गुरु इज महेश्वरा, द गुरु इज सेल्फ रिवीलिंग लिमिटलेस ब्रह्मा। Salutations to that revered Guru. Hello everybody, I am Ritika Prakash here and I am the anchor of this program. Today we are present here on the occasion of Teachers' Day. So to start this program, I would like to call our first participant, who is Miss Jikra. Miss Jikra, please come here and be ready for your speech. Audience, please put your hands together for her.
मान भी मिला, सम्मान भी मिला, मान भी मिला, सम्मान भी मिला, ज्ञान भी मिला, अभिमान भी मिला, गुरुवर के आशीर्वाद से ही जीवन का सही मुकाम भी मिला। A very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Hello everyone, I am Zikra Siddiqui here. Today I would like to express my opinion on importance of Teachers' Day. Friends, as we know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September in memory of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5th September 1888. He was the first Vice President and second President of India. We remember him not as a president but as a teacher, which shows and proves that teachers are greater than all other persons. So we must respect our teachers I would like to conclude my speech with this stanza. जीतूंगी मैं या खुद से वादा करो, जीतूंगी मैं ये खुद से वादा करो, जितना सोचते हो कोशिश भी उससे ज़्यादा करो, तकदीर भी रूठे पर हिम्मत ना टूटे, तकदीर भी रूठे पर हिम्मत ना टूटे, मजबूत इतना अपना इरादा करो. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Ms. Jikra, for your nice and beautiful speech. You are right that teachers are very important and we should respect our teachers. पेरेंट्स के बाद जिनका है स्थान, हाथों में जिनकी फ्यूचर की कमान, जो जमाए पेरेंट्स की तरह हक, वो है हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड अध्यापक. Now to continue this program, I would like to call our next participant, who is Mr. Piyush. Mr. Piyush, please come here and be ready for your speech. Audience, please put your hands together for him.
Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and a happy Teachers Day. I am Piyush Raj and today I am going to express my opinion about teachers. Teachers Day is celebrated to show the relation between a student and a teacher. This day reminds us the importance of teacher in our life. Everyone who teaches us something in our life is our teacher. Our first teachers are our parents. As we know that in India, Teachers Day was first celebrated in 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This was the year in which he became the second president of India. Before coming into politics, he was a well-known teacher. He also served as a professor in Oxford University, and then he became the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University and Banaras Hindu University. We remember him as a teacher because teachers are our future maker. I would suggest everyone to respect your teachers. Now I would like to conclude my speech with a famous couplet of Kabir Das. Guru Govind Dau Khade Kako Lagu Paye. Guru Govind Dau Khade Kako Lagu Paye. Balihari Guru Aapne Govind Diyo Bataye. Thank you.
जिसे देता है हर व्यक्ति सम्मान, जो करता है वीरों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसान को इंसान, ऐसे गुरु को हम करते हैं प्रणाम. Hello everybody, this is Ankit Kumar Misra here and I am the anchor of this program. This is a speech round, so to continue this program, I would like to call our next participant, who is Mr. Mubassir Siddiqui. Please come here and be ready for your speech. Audience, please put your hands together for him.
आपसे ही सीखा आपसे ही जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना. आपसे ही सीखा आपसे ही जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना. सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, ज्ञान का मतलब आपसे जाना. Good morning everybody. This is Mubassir Siddiqui, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Today I have got a golden opportunity to express my views on this occasion of Teachers Day. On this important day, I want to express my feelings for those who are considered the backbone of our society. We are celebrating Teachers Day today, which is essentially celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was one of the best scholars and teachers this country has ever seen. He was also the first Vice President and the second President of India. Teachers Day is the best way for students to express their love and respect for their teachers. Teachers are our real heroes and best friends. They are the ones who inspire us, guide us, enlighten us, and the most important, that they motivate us to get rid of any depression and be a successful person in life. At last, I wish to tell few lines in Hindi which shows the real role and importance of teachers in our life. शिक्षक और सड़क दोनों एक जैसे होते हैं. शिक्षक और सड़क दोनों एक जैसे होते हैं. खुद जहाँ हैं वहीं पर रहते हैं, मगर दूसरों को उनकी मंजिल तक पहुँचा ही देते हैं. One more. रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा. रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा। थक कर ना बैठ ऐ मंजिल के मुसाफिर, थक कर ना बैठ ऐ मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मज़ा भी आएगा।
रोशनी बनकर आए जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में, ऐसे गुरुओं को मैं प्रणाम करती हूँ। ज़मीन से आसमान तक पहुँचाने का रखते हैं जो हुनर, ऐसे टीचर्स को मैं दिल से सलाम करती हूँ। Respected teacher and my all dear friends, good morning to all of you. Today I have come here to deliver a speech. It's my pleasure to deliver a speech about Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated to present our gratitude towards teacher, and teachers are the great source of knowledge who guide us towards success. On this special day, we should remember all our teachers.
गुरु तेरे उपकार का कैसे चुकाऊं मैं मोल, गुरु तेरे उपकार का कैसे चुकाऊं मैं मोल, लाख कीमती धन भला गुरु है मेरे अनमोल।
I am Amisha Patel here and I am the anchor of this program. Now I would like to call our next participant with this शायरी। बिना प्रकाश का उजाला हो नहीं सकता, बिना दिल के कोई दिल वाला हो नहीं सकता, जो ना बजाए मेरे कलाकारों के लिए तालियां, वो कार्यक्रम का दीवाना हो ही नहीं सकता। Now I would like to call our next participant who is Miss Ansu।
जो बनाए हमें इंसान और दे सही गलत की पहचान, देश के उन निर्माताओं को हम करते हैं सत सत प्रणाम। अपनी कद्रदानी को इस तरह ना छिपाइए, अपनी कद्रदानी को इस तरह ना छिपाइए, अगर प्रस्तुति पसंद आई हो तो तालियां बजाइए।
मन मचल के मोर होना चाहिए, इस शाम परफॉर्मेंस का दौर होना चाहिए। सुनाने तो हम बहुत कुछ आए हैं, लेकिन आपके तालियों में भी तो जोर होना चाहिए। Good morning everybody, this is Anjali Mishra here and I am the anchor of this program. As you all know that this is a speech round. I wish to call upon our next participant who is Miss Hena.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning everybody. Today I have got a golden opportunity to speak something before you on the topic that is importance of teacher. Everybody knows that teacher is a future maker. I have no word to explain and fulfill the obligation of a teacher. We the students only pay the tuition fee, but we can't return the obligation of a teacher. I can say that the teacher has great importance in our life. Without teacher, we can't get success in our life.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning everybody. Today I have got the golden chance to speak something before you on the topic that is important of English. As far as my opinion is concerned, I would like to say that English is very important